So here I've got some grass coming up through the pavers there, and since I don't want to keep putting down a weed killer of any kind, what I'm going to dig a trench over there along there and bury a metal plate, try to serve as a barrier against this grass coming in. It's only in this one spot, so I'll just treat it as it comes up. So while I was digging out this trench here, I found a pipe that's not used. There at the end, it's not capped, not going anywhere. And down here, it goes, there's a bend and it goes into that, goes underneath the paver. So I'm going to cut it off right there. So I'm going to use this Dremel here with an oscillating blade so I can get good access to that, and I'll just cut this guy off right here. Got it. Piece of cake. So now I got that pipe out of there, the irrigation pipe that wasn't being used. And I decided I'm going to go ahead and put a protective barrier all along this here. And I was going to put a piece of metal over about where that trash can is for about 1.5 feet. Metal's expensive, so I'm going to get this mesh stuff that's a weed barrier and trench this out more and put that in against there, attach it with both nails and silicone to prevent grass from getting under the pavers there. So here you can see some of the lip of that concrete. I'm gotta get that off of there. I'm gonna try hammering a chisel. This should do the trick. Come on, let's see. Yep, piece of cake. Trim all that up so I can get a weed barrier against that guy.